Hey everybody, it's Zach from Myshire Farm. I wanted to give you a quick update. I will be canceling tonight's live Q&A. We do a live Q&A every Sunday at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time right here on our YouTube channel, Myshire Farm. Unfortunately, there's some family things that have came up that I'm going to have to deal with. I will not be able to join tonight. I am going to reschedule for tomorrow, Monday at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, so that I can answer any questions that you might have. So we will still be doing the live Q&A, only it'll be tomorrow, Monday night, rather than tonight. So I'm sorry for the inconvenience. If you have questions that you cannot wait to be answered, or if you can't join tomorrow's live Q&A, you can feel free to text me at 937-760-7282. I hope to be able to see you tomorrow night. Again, I'm sorry for the inconvenience. We will be doing some fun stuff tomorrow night at 7, so I hope to see you there, and stay safe. We'll see you then. Thanks.